Good morning students. Today we are going to see the computer. So my first lesson will go to as computer basic. Computer have made our lives very easy and simple. They can store large amount of information which can be retrieved very easily. So see the picture, there is a computer, there is a mouse, keyboard and a CPU. Okay. We can gather lot of information from computer. Also we can send via email. We can do the following activities using the computer. Okay, we can send email also. So then we can write ABCD, we can draw, we can see a movie, we can listen a picture. Okay, we can listen to music, we can watch movie, we can shop online. Okay, and we can do the calculation also. See, there are the pictures given. Now let's go to the part of a computer. Okay. So first one is a monitor. See, there is a picture of a monitor. The monitor is like a TV screen. It has a power button to switch it on and off. The monitor screen shows whatever we do on a computer, such as draw, type, record, design and so on. So see, there is a picture of a monitor and it is same look like a TV screen. Okay, everybody know what is a TV. And again near to that there is a circle type of picture. See, there is a button of switch on and off. Okay, so if you want to on, you can on. If you want to switch off, you can switch it off. So if you type on the keyboard or if you draw or if you see a design, you can see it on the screen. Is it clear? So a monitor, it look like a screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard, it will come on the screen. Now the second part is called a CPU. Everybody know what is a CPU. See, the picture of a CPU is given. The CPU is a full form of Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the main part of a computer. We connect all the other devices to the CPU. It has a powerful button to switch it on. It is the brain of a computer. So whatever we type on the monitor, okay, it saves in the CPU. How we have a brain, in the same way computer also has a brain and the computer brain is the CPU. So whatever we type on the keyboard, that means whatever we type on the monitor, we draw picture or we save the movie or we save the picture, whatever we do on the monitor, it saves the brain in the CPU. Okay, so CPU is the main part of a computer. If CPU is not there, computer will not work. So whatever we do, the work on a monitor, it saves it in the CPU. So CPU is called the brain of a computer. Next is the keyboard. So see, there is a picture of a keyboard. A keyboard is used to give command. We use it to type letters and number. It has different keys of a different function. So if you want to type a letter to your friends, okay, we start typing it on the keyboard and we can see the letter that is coming on the monitor. Okay, so there are too much letters are there, different functions are there. There all the letters A to Z, they are in the capital letters. Okay, we use alphabet keys to type letter or words. However, they are not arranged in alphabetical order on the keyboard. When the caps lock is on, all the letters on the screen are typed in uppercase. When the caps lock is off, all the letters on the screen are typed in the lowercase. Okay, so we have seen that all the letters are in the capital letters. Okay. Then when you press the caps lock key, okay, see, there is a picture in the keyboard, there is a caps lock key. When you press it on, it will go to the uppercase, that means capital letters. And when you switch it off, it will come to the small letters, that way it will come to the cursive letters. Okay. The shift key is used to type capital letter and other upper characters that are on the top of the number, and punctuation keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. We use the number key to type numbers. So see, there is 1 to 9 number and 0. So we use the numbers to type the number key. We use the longest key on the keyboard, the space bar, to insert space between two letters, symbols or word. So see, the down part there is a big key called as a space bar. Okay, and we use that to give space. We use the enter key to move the cursor to the next line. See, on the keyboard there is written enter. So if you press the enter key, you will come to the next line. We use the cursor or an arrow key to move the cursor up, down, right or left. So see, there are 4 arrows given. Okay, up, right, left and down. So we use them. We use a backspace key to move the cursor to the left and is usually used to erase it. So again there is a backspace key, so we can rub it off whatever we have written it. Delete key is like a backspace key, but we use it to move the cursor to the right to erase the next. So text. So delete means if you want to delete the whole line, we immediately press the delete key. Now let's move to the next, that is mouse. See, there is a picture of a mouse. We use the option to point at a thing and select option on the monitor cursor. The mouse is connected to the CPU by a wire. So if I want to point out a letter or if I want to drag that letter, I will click it on the mouse button. And there are 2 types of button, left side and right side. See the picture, left side button and a right side button. Using the mouse. The mouse has either 2 or 3 buttons. We use it to perform actions on the screen by clicking the button. Okay, so we need to click the button and then only we can start putting the action. To select an icon, we move the monitor on the screen using the mouse and place it on an icon. Then, using the first finger, we press the left side button to the mouse. This action is called a click. So, when you press the first left side button, we call it as click. And when we use the right side button, we select the letter. But when you click on the left side, you can just click the button. Next, go to the double clicking. If we want to select a file, folder or program on a screen, we take the mouse pointer to that icon and place the monitor on it. We then click the left button of the mouse twice or double click. So when you want to select a letter, you are supposed to double click on the left side button of the mouse. When you click on the left side button of the mouse, then only the particular word will get selected, and that word we call it as double clicking. You need to double press that button in just a second and the words get selected. So for today we have just seen what are the parts of a computer. I request all the kids to kindly read the lesson till the mouse action. I have read it till the mouse action. So further part I will be teaching you in the next section. Thank you.